Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Now we go to part 2 of the bullet charts. It will not take a lot of time. The part 2 is basically just pimping the bullet chart. So this is what we're going to do. First, we can come up with more of a scale, more of a legend, because I did remove the legend down there, it didn't look nice. So this is what we'll do. I know you have already done most of these things, so we can still work together. So you click on the first one, which is basically on the poor. You double click so that you only have this segment. Check at first when I did like this, all these segments were activated. So you double click. Oh, sorry. Like this. So you right click and add label. Then take it out just a bit, somewhere here. Sorry. Just position it somewhere there. Then we'll change the label. So we'll go to category name, which is generation. I don't want to do that. So pick series name, which is poor. Then we'll uncheck value so that we have that. Then what else can we do? Well, there you can just take your cursor. I've highlighted the line. So I'll change the color of that line from gray to black. Then on the beginning arrow, I'll pick this first arrow here. Suppose I do like this. Yes. So this is what I would want to show, that this whole segment here, it actually represents poor. Then I'll go to the second one, double click as usual, right click and add label. I hope you're following. I'll do the same thing. I hope it works. It's going to work. Do the same thing. Put it here. And take it a bit there. So this, pick a series name, value, good. Then I'll click on the line, change to black, pick the arrow like that. So if I want, I can bring it slightly here. So I'm remaining with the last one, which is basically excellent. So here again, I'll double click, right click, add label. Take this number here, put it somewhere there. Can even do like this. Then series name, remove the value. And change the color here to black. Do the same thing with the arrows, do this. If I bring it there, what will happen? It will not look nice. It will not look nice as well. So something like this. Then the actuals, I'll need to show the actuals as well. So I'll right click and add values, add label, sorry. This is what I would want to show. So I'll change that to white and maybe put it in bold. Can leave it like this, or can come here on the alignment, go to alignment, text direction, change the text direction like this. Okay, down here, what am I supposed to do? That gray line, I also want to remove it. So say no line, this. Okay, then maybe, yeah, change to, if I want to have it like this, but doesn't look nice. So I don't waste a lot of time doing that. If I come here, for example, so like this, it will not look nice. I can maintain black, maybe. So label position, it is next to axis. I can decide how I want to have it. I can have it up there, but I don't want, so I'll leave it down here, like this. And from here, just some few techniques that I would want to show you. So here, if I want, I would go to home, go to shapes. I'll pick this shape and just do this. Just a bit like that. Right a bit and change the type of line to something like that. And have it a bit black, something like this. And copy that. It's just about, you can do like this. Yes. Failing to align it. Come here, there must be an alignment thing. And it will be like this. So you can change the rotation here. Can I say something like that, but it doesn't look nice. Fine, how are you? So once I'm done with that, then what do? I go to my favorite plugin, Excel toolbox. So first I'll highlight the whole thing like that. Then before that, go with the action. Suppose the target has been revised to, let's say, to 284. So you see it going up there. Then how do I write this whole chart? Go to Daniel's Toolbox. It's a very good software, a good plugin. Go to export selection. I can come here and do whatever I want to do, but I'd rather just click there. Then I'll say performance 2 and save. Then I'll go to my PowerPoint. Where is it? I can't even see it. Go there, do this. Then that was the first one. So duplicate that, remove it, go to insert, pick, call it performance 2. So guys, you can download the Daniels. It's a very good thing. Even when you stretch the photo like this or a picture, it doesn't lose its meaning. So you can see I have, oh, which one did I pick? Okay. I'm just do this, sorry. So you can see this was the first one that we did, sorry. This was the first one that we did in part 1. We have now pimped it a bit. You can see now the way it looks. Doesn't it look nice? So creating dashboards, it is a skill, and I urge all of you just to take a bit of some time and learn some techniques that we use in coming up with nice and professional charts. So if you have any questions, if you need the workbook, you can just text your email address, then I'll be able to send it to you. So even the PowerPoint. So thank you so much, and bye-bye.